Hi, welcome to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making Jamaica's national dish, which is ackee and saltfish. So I'm using the canned ackee and I've already washed it off, and I have some saltfish that I've washed, boiled and deboned. I'm using black pepper and some total seasoning. So I have also some chopped vegetables that I will list in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead right now and add my oil to my pot and set it on the stove. And then I will be adding all my chopped vegetables. I will be sauteing these vegetables for a little, then I will be adding my saltfish afterwards. My vegetables are now sauteed, so I am going to add my saltfish, and I am going to incorporate the saltfish with the sauteed vegetables. will now add my ackee to the pot, but I will not stir my ackee because I want to keep the same texture and shape. And if I stir my ackee, it will become too mushy because my ackee is already soft. So this is how I am folding it to incorporate all the ingredients. My ackee is now cooked, so I'm going to turn the stove off and I'm having it with some cornmeal dumpling and some boiled green plantain, some cocoa and a piece of pumpkin. And you can choose to have yours with fried dumpling or roast breadfruit or roast fried breadfruit. So thanks for watching, and please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and cook with love always.